Okay, gagawin natin to, guys.
Stop saying bad words.
Who you are now, and now we play. Wait, what?
I got the clownfish.
We're here. We are here. We're
I
here.
got the clownfish.
Let's just drive.
I hear you claiming a wall. I've caught like so much fish, like I caught like 100.
Okay, let's go. Hoy! Oh my God, ba't nandito tayo? Aka. Zero?
Okay, this
Majitara,
one's a mythic.
Majitara,
Stop with
Nanikiro,
mythics.
Nanokana. Purple.
You're Sigma if you kill one. Or 4.
Hello, what are you gonna
Yeah.
order?
You need more kills to just...
Ano nga? Ano nga? Ano nga? Ang o-orderin mo? Ha? Ano? 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 Ano nga? Mamaya na lang. Change tayo ng look.
Yeah, sometimes it makes
Ganda. Guys, naglalaro
I
na
only
pala
got
tayo.
one clownfish
Ayan
and
o.
a bunch of normal ones.
1, 2, 3,
The thunder
4,
can't even
5,
hit me
6.
from the roof. Yo, I got another salmon.
Joke lang.
I mean clownfish.
Aka. Zero. Again. Aka. Zero. Majitara,
chilling now.
Majitara, Nanikiro, Nanokana. Pinku, stamp. Naglalaro lang tayo kasi parang gusto ko talaga
I need
maglaro.
3 macaroni. There's like 1,000 fish here. Look, so many mackerels and two clownfish only.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm fishing a lot, and I've been fishing for a long time.
Yoko na, nakakatakot. Hello, magkakanta lang tayo ng Singer Kaye Wawa. Ano ang order mo? Fries, burger, ice cream. Oh, ayun lang. Bye. Sige, bibigyan.